reflection, close to perfection as a nigga can get without protection. You never tripped, and even though we had our fights dinner every night, I'm cussing and fussing like it's impossible to get it right. Time alone, away from home, cause I can do bad on my own. Looking for more than just another bone. Well, I'll be happy now I'm grown. It seems we have a problem with jealousy, cause you interrupting while I'm on the phone. Got some business to handle, so baby understand. Can spend my whole life up under you, I'm a grown man. Could you respect me?